Hi you guys, thanks for clicking on my video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But today I'm going to show you how to refresh your boho twists or braids. Now I have twists and I got to touch up these edges because they look a mess. So let's just get into it. You're going to get a spray bottle with some water and a little bit of conditioner. I only have a little bit. And you're just going to go through and just spray. You don't want to get this soaking wet. You just want to kind of lightly spray it. So since I'm only working with a lot, as you can see, it was just kind of enough. But that's how you want your curls. You don't want them super drenched, unless that's what you're going for. But me, you don't need that much on it, and I don't want a lot of product on it. So yes, so I'm just going through, trying to make sure all of this is nice. Then I'm gonna take some styling mousse, and that's how much I'm gonna use on my entire head, and I'm just gonna run it through. And this is just to kind of I guess like keep everything in place and kind of seal the spray that I just did. Then I'm gonna use some Gourmet Fructis, I believe, and it's the spray, the oil. So I'm just gonna run it through and kind of make sure it's on my ends, because you don't want your ends looking dry. I did use human hair, so that's a plus, so I don't have to deal with that. So now that we did all that, it's time for these edges. So now I'm just gonna touch up these edges just a little bit, because your girl don't tie her hair up at night. I just throw a bonnet on and go. And I'm gonna take my little toothbrush and just kind of define it, make sure everything's in line, everything looks good. And like I say, this is just a quick little retouch video. So I'm just touching up those edges, and see, they already starting to look a little bit better, because they was looking dry and just crusty. See how the other side is? So now we about to go ahead and tame that. And that's about how much I use. I don't overload on the edge control, because I know some edge control tend to turn white and all that, but I don't need a ton of product on my hair. I do not like a ton of product on my hair. I just feel like it just holds all that buildup in. So I'm just gonna go ahead, touch up these. It looks like it kept rippling, and I want it to look very straight and crisp, but it looked like it kept rippling. So I'm gonna fix some of my pieces, make sure I got everything, see how I want it kind of styled. I usually just let them hang, because I love that messy boho look. I actually like when they get old. So now I'm just gonna go in with some herbal oil. And this is just to promote hair growth. You can really use any one, y'all. You can even go back to Blue Magic, okay? Because when we were younger, our parents was putting Blue Magic in our hair, and our hair was growing. Well, hopefully yours was growing. But, you know, our hair was growing before all these products hit the market. But I'm just going to put it through all of my braids on my scalp. And then I'm just going to go through and kind of massage it. So I'm just making sure I covered everything, and I just want to massage it just to, you know, stimulate my scalp and make sure just I got all throughout my scalp. And that's really about it, y'all. It's really super simple. I love how it looks. I love this boho look. Just look at it. I love how, like, I can't wait till it gets older and older. Like, I am that girl. I love it to look, you know, just untamed or something. I don't know. And then this is my curls that I'm tightening up, and that's it. We're done.